Folks, today I'll be teaching you guys how to construct a trapezium when given the parallels and the perpendicular distance between them and one angle. So in this case, the first thing to do is to draw one of the parallels AB. So in this case, let's have one of the parallels as AB. So let me draw the parallel. So let me draw a line of the AB. Assuming we have AB as 6 centimeters, so I'll roll from 2 to 8, so that's a span of 6 centimeters. Let's call it AB. Now the next stage is to construct the given angle BA1. So assuming BA1 is let's say assuming it is given as 60 degrees, so all you need to do is you construct 60 degrees, and if you don't want to use a protractor, you can just use the construction method. Put the compass at A and construct an arc. Then look at where it cuts the line AB, put the sharp point, and then cut the initial arc at a point. So that intersection will give you an angle of 60 degrees. Let's line it in. So this is an angle of 60 degrees. So let's call this 1. So this is BA1, it's an angle. And the next stage is for you to draw the parallel. So now, this assuming you have a perpendicular distance of let's say 4 centimeters, so I'll open from 2 to 6. That's a span of 4 centimeters. I would construct parallel lines. So on these two lines, then I'll join the top. So that's how to construct parallel lines. You open your compass and then construct arcs. Now this is the parallel lines. The last stage is to you have the parallel. So now assuming the top has a length of 3, so you can also you don't need to measure it. You can use your ruler to open the span to 3. Put the starting point at the edge where the parallel line cuts the angle, then count 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. So now this is 3. So now I'll join that second point to the original point. So I'll do the joining now. And here we go, finally. So this is trapezium ABCD. This is how to construct a trapezium.